Sarah Hohenberger here again from Lincoln City Parks and Recreation for another edition of Creative Cuisine, part of the RecKids Virtual Camp series. Today we're making Caterpillar Kebobs, a combination of your favorite fruits on a really fun skewer. To make Caterpillar Kebobs, you'll need some of your favorite fruits. I have here today some raspberries, some blueberries, some green grapes, watermelon, honeydew, and pineapple. Canned pineapple's great. Also, you'll need some toothpicks, a knife and a grown-up, some skewers or some restaurant chopsticks work great, and a cutting board. Now as we start our kebabs, I am going to be cutting up my honeydew. So I've already cut it in half to make it a little bit easier, and I've scooped out the seeds. So you're gonna wanna cut your honeydew into bite-sized portions that will fit on your skewer. I'm just gonna cut a nice wide slice here. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna be delicious either way. That's a little bit off here. Put that off to the side. And you're going to want to try to cut a nice chunk here. So it can be in a square or it can be in a little triangle. And then you're going to want to make sure that you cut off the rind, just so that you have a good sized portion to poke your skewer or your restaurant chopstick through and that it won't fall off. Have you ever had a marshmallow that you didn't quite poke through before you did a s'more and then it fell off in the campfire? It's the same kind of principle. You can tell this is a really delicious honeydew. Alright. So now that I have my honeydew portions, let's get on to the next step. Now I'm ready to cut my watermelon. I'm not gonna need all of this watermelon today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half again. And that way I can only cut from what I need, and it's a little easier when you cut it that way, so that way you're not running the risk of cutting any fingers on accident. And then for the rest of this, what I can do is if you have saran wrap or a plastic bag that will fit over it, you can just cover it, and that way it'll keep longer so the next time you're ready to eat it. And if you don't have watermelon or you don't like watermelon, you can really use any of your favorite fruits that you have in your house. This is what's so great about kebabs, is you can really customize it to yourself. I sure love summer watermelon. How about you? It's just one of those really fun summer fruits that taste so good. And with these kind of funny shapes, you really just want to cut it on the flat side whenever possible. So then I'm going to take these slices and I'm going to cut them into my bite-sized portions. That should be enough here. Just make sure we cut the rind off. And again, they don't have to be perfect squares. It just has to be enough to fit on a skewer. They're gonna be delicious either way. All right, we are almost ready to assemble our kebabs. I've added my pineapple to my plate, and now we are ready to assemble our skewers. So you want to take your restaurant chopstick or your skewer, and the one end is going to be the end of it. So it's kind of, in my mind, it's easiest to start with the head of your caterpillar. So I'm going to take my watermelon, because that's going to be the head of my caterpillar, and I'm also going to add a raspberry, so it kind of has a nose. And then now we're ready to start building. So you can really just, this is where it gets fun. I can take a grape here I can take some of my pineapple. And this is just all about putting on your favorite fruits and favorite fruits. So I'll add blueberry. And some honeydew. We'll add another piece of watermelon. And another grape. Oops, and that's okay if it falls off. So we can adjust it. Just like that. Sometimes when you're moving the fruit on to the skewer or the chopstick, it might shift a little bit, so you might have to readjust it. Some more honeydew. And another piece of pineapple, because I love pineapple, even on my pizza. I know that's a very heated debate. And I'm gonna finish with another piece of watermelon, just because it'll kind of hold everything together. Now we're ready for the next step. Now I'm ready to assemble my second caterpillar kebab. Now we're ready for the last step to add our blueberries for eyes. We're gonna take a toothpick. We need 2 for each kebab. And just pick a nice blueberry there. Skewer through. Not to poke yourself. And now our caterpillar kebabs are ready to eat. This is such a fun summertime snack. I love when you can create something out of anything. And really, you can use any fruits that you have around your house. For instance, this one has strawberry and cantaloupe as well. That's all for this edition of Creative Cuisine. We'll see you next time.